If I remember to do this video in the morning, 6 plus 6 equals to 8. Remember, 6 plus 6 equals to 8. I'm going to give you the design. You tell me what the answer is. There's one part of the design. Here's the second part of the design. 6 and 6 equals to 8. Separation between these two sides is 8. To go down to the valley and back up is 6 and 6. When you straighten the two lines over each other, the 12 reduces to 8. 7 and 7, okay, are the value of 4 and 4, which is half of 8. The 7's separation is the total of 8. Understanding that the day, okay, is 16, and the night, okay, is 8. We need 2 nights to connect the full day. 7 and 7, so we have to continue this design. Okay. There was one other thing inside of that. I do not remember what it is. I will show you a picture. There's more than one way. I'm building a Monopoly board out of this, okay? A 13 by 13 area will start here, go over to here, down to here, and over to here. That'll be 13 by 13, 169. This board, okay, this board over here is a total of 18, 3 squares, 2 by 9 squares, and 3 squares. It's 3, 2, 4, 6, 8 squares, and then 2 squares, and then 8 squares. 8 to 8, 8 to 8, 8 to 8, 8 to 8. Cycle of the moon. I skip over this one because this is where the trains are. Okay, we have to understand 3, 3, 3 is because 3 lines of 3. If I start in the square in this corner and go all the way around, I will be going to a total of, listen, I will go from here all the way to here, and that will be 24. But then I need 2 over here and 2 over here to turn. 25, 26, 25, 26, 24, and 26. The difference between 24 and 26, the difference between X and Z, the dog and the cat, the numbers. So we have 26 and 26. We have 26 and 26 over here. 26 from starting from here all the way around. We have a total of 52. Over here we have 18 equals 70. And over here we have 18 equals to 88. We have a total of 88 on the outside line. When we move it one line on the inside, okay, instead of having a total of 24, we now have a total of 22. 22 all the way from here, all the way to here. 22. Then turn the corner in 1, 23. Turn the corner, 24. 24, 24 equals to 48. Plus 18, plus 18. 36 and 48 equals to 84. That number is Pluto, is 88, then 84. Now we move into the top corner over here. Okay, 18 plus 1 is 19, plus 1 is 20. We have a total of 20 here. 20 here equals to 40, and 36 equals to 76. Now let's see if we got that number right. We're going to just add it one more time. The outside one, okay, is 24. And the outside one here is 24. 24 and 24. That is 48. Then we have 2 here because we have to go all the way this way. We have to go all the way this way. 18, 2 and 2 equals to 22 and 24. The difference connecting Grover Cleveland's numbers. 46. So now we have 24, 26, 24, 26, 28. I said 26. I must have made a mistake. That's why I go over things. I have 24 and 2 and 2. It's 28. 28 and 28 equals to 56. 56, 66, 74, 84, 92. It wasn't 88, it was 92. Now we move on to the inside here. 18 between the corners, plus 2, plus 2. That's 22 and 22 inside the corners. 22 from here to here. Plus 1 and 1 equals to 24, and 24 is 48. 48 and 36 is 84. That is Pluto. From 92 to 84. Now we go inside over here to this corner. Between here, this one, and this one is 18. 1, 18, and 1, or 191. artificial intelligence has begun. This is the major corner that counts for the rest. So we automatically have 20 and 20 equals to 40 plus 36. We now have 76. And then we go over here. We have 68, and that's where the game begins. Okay, 68. Then we have 60. Then we have 52. Then we have 44. Then we have 36. Then we have 28, cycle of the moon. Then we have 20. Then over here we have 12. Over here. Then over here we have 4. And that's how it begins. This is the Monopoly board. The first Monopoly board that's built has 169 areas. This one has 576 areas and also is referred to 5,760, which is the year 2000. This will show you when we take away 5760 and all the blocks on the outside. How many blocks are on the outside? It's 6 times 9, 54, 54, 54, and 54. When I add on the cap, it's like 110 stories to the Twin Towers. 4 times 54 is 224. 9, 9, 9, and 9. Let's do this again. 54 and 54, 108. 108 is 216. That's a 9-day period, the Mayan cycle. 216 and 36 is 252. From 5760 equals to a total of 324. 18 times 18. And the creation, when you add them up, is the cycle of the moon. It's 144 block areas, 12 by 12 over here, inside the 4 area. You go from here inside the trains, you go all the way up to over here, that's 13. And you go all the way down here, 13 by 13, 169. So we're going to try this again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. First it was 13, now it's 11. Okay, we're going to go up over here, all the way up over here, and all the way down over here. This whole area. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 144. Let's do it again. Halfway to the center was 12, all the way was 24. 12 by 12, 144. We have 144 area spaces. In the 104 area spaces, over here it's 11, 11. Take away from the trains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do not count this one over here. It's 11, 11, and the 1 dot in the center that connects the trains. So that's 22 from 144. You're down to 122 minus 1, 121. Because 1 goes to the center. There's 11, 11 over here. In the 11, 11 over here, this area is an 8 by 8 space equaling to 64. 64 plus 47, excuse me, plus 57 equals to 121. 57 is the moon. 46 or 1.5 times 4 is 6, and that's the half-life. This area over here is the properties. These are the properties that go all the way around. And this is part of the mathematical equation that sets up with Monopoly. First, we're going to have a Monopoly board where the corners only have a value of 4. Then we're going to have a Monopoly board where the corners have a value of 9. Okay, I'm not going to make a Monopoly board that's any bigger than 9 because the next number to 9 is 4 by 4, 16. And when you have 16, you automatically have 4 in the center. I can create it that way. There's a whole lot of other numbers that fit inside of this, but as you can see, one of the other numbers is 576 cubes times 360 degrees per cube, or 18 and 18. Okay, 360 per cube gives me 2736. Set 2736 plus 5,184, which is a dividable by that number. Where's my calculator? I got it on the floor. 20,000. Let me just uncover what I just wrote. 20,000. Let me show it on the camera. 20,736. 20,736 divided by 4 equals to 5184. 5184. Okay. 5184 plus 2736 equals to the Mayan count at 25,920. Divide this by 5, it equals 5184. 4320 times 6 equals 25,920. It is absolutely mathematically perfect. The creation and the numerological values inside the pyramids of the Mayans. Raphael, thank you for watching the doorway into the delta angle of the 9 lives. 3 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 4, of 9 and 8, the high sky. Thank you for watching.